Hello everyone, this is a presentation on bullying and suicide. I am Jessie McKinley and this is for SE504. Bullying key facts. Bullying is unwanted aggressive behavior. I feel like we all can give a demonstration on what bullying means to us. There is a fine line in bullying and teasing. I also believe that we all can give an example on what the fine line is on bullying and teasing. 3 statistics on bullying. Bullying victims are 2 to 9 times more likely to consider suicide. 160,000 students stay home daily because of bullying. I was shocked by this statistic. 10 to 14-year-old girls are at high risk. Suicide key facts. Suicide is death caused by injuring oneself to result in death. 3 statistics on suicide. 3rd leading cause of death in young children. This results in 4,400 deaths a year. 14% of high school students have thought about committing suicide and 7% have attempted. Addressing bullying. Bullying can escalate and the victim feels like they have nowhere to turn. They feel extremely overwhelmed, and this is when it comes to the point of them thinking about suicide. The different types of bullying can include cyberbullying, social bullies, verbal bullies, school bullies, and physical bullying. Address suicide. The warning signs of suicide can be the following. Some of the most common to me were depression, trouble sleeping or eating, and giving away their possessions. Ways we can prevent suicide. We have to take all precautions. We have to realize that all accusations are serious. Get the child help. As for teachers, we need to make sure that we get them in touch with the counselor. Making sure that things they can use to harm themselves are put away. Parents at your home, they need to make sure if you have any weapons or any medications that those are put away. And then parents getting involved with the school and or authorities. If it is to a point where it is so bad, authorities are appropriate. This is important. This is our hotline, 1-800-273-8255, or if it's an emergency, 911. There's also an online chat, suicidepreventionlifeline.org. The hotline is 1-800-273-8255. And if you can't write these down, all you have to do is Google suicide hotline, and these 2 things will pop up.